Hi guys, VC10 Aviation here, and today I'll be making a London Heathrow model airport update. So we'll get started with the update. We've got this Emirates A380 heading to and from Dubai. So this is the Gemini Jets version. Moving on, we've got the Garuda Indonesia 777-300ER. This is heading to Amsterdam via Jakarta. There we've got United 777-300ER. This is doing an interesting route we don't see in the UK. This is heading to and from Newark today. So yeah, that's the JC Wings version. Then we've got the JAL 850-900 heading to and from Tokyo Haneda. Moving on, we've got the Tradewinds. This is operating for Skylease Cargo. This airline, I believe, kind of formed the basis of Skylease Cargo, which modern day operate two 747 freighters. So this aircraft is doing a charter flight from Miami. This is the Aviation 400 release. Moving on, we've got this 2XL Aviation 727. This arrived in from Southend. These used to be based up at Doncaster, but I think they've moved to Southend. So this is just doing a training flight. I know it says FedEx, but no one's yet to make the oil spill response. They've got two of them. So they've got OSRB and OSRA. One of these went to the RAT Air Show in 2022. So that concludes the airport update. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.